Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to lock your Signal app for added privacy and security. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Now, before we proceed, here's an important note you need to know. Signal's screen lock feature uses your phone's existing lock system, so if you don't already have a phone lock set up, you'll need to create one first before this feature will work properly. This ensures your Signal messages stay secure using the same protection method you use for your entire device. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your account settings where you can manage various privacy and security options. From there, tap on Privacy. This section contains all the tools you need to control who can see your information and how your app behaves when it comes to security. Now scroll down until you find the screen lock option and tap on it. This is where you'll enable the locking feature that requires authentication every time you open Signal. Next, tap the toggle switch beside Use Screen Lock to turn it on. Once you do this, Signal will automatically integrate with your Android phone's existing screen lock method, whether that's a PIN, password, pattern, or biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition. This means you don't need to create a separate lock just for Signal. It simply uses what you've already set up on your phone. At this point, you'll need to enter your phone screen lock to confirm. This could be your password, PIN, pattern, or biometric authentication depending on what you've configured on your device. For this example, I'll use my phone screen lock PIN to demonstrate. After entering your authentication method, tap the next icon in the bottom right corner to proceed. This confirms your choice and moves you to the next step. Below that, you'll see options to choose when the screen lock should activate. You can select after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after 30 minutes, or even set a custom time based on your preferences. This setting determines how long Signal can remain open in the background before it locks again and requires authentication. Choose the option that best fits your security needs and usage habits. And that's it. You've successfully enabled screen lock on your Signal app, adding an extra layer of protection to your private conversations. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.